Okay, let's start. So the first one, you just need to draw, change color, let's say brown, and then green color, okay, maybe green color, and then maybe
Morning, sir.
green, lighter green. Darker green. Okay, I have my tree here. So the first one, just draw a tree. Okay, so I will go number 2. Okay, apply appropriate formatting to these sheets. Okay, so what I will do is I will click on the top left corner over here above the number 1, left to A. When you click this, it will select all. Then you move your mouse cursor between A and B. Then your mouse cursor will change to resize cursor. Okay, it will change to resize. Then you double click it. Then it will auto resize the width. And then using the same method, you auto resize all the height. Okay. So including, so just now we did the first one. Select auto change width and height. Okay. Okay. Number 2. Delete all unwanted rows. 15 is empty. 18 empty. Okay. Then you right click and click delete. Then it will delete the unwanted row and columns. Delete unwanted rows and columns. Okay. Then the third one, highlight everything, and then
so
you.
What did you delete? Huh?
Sorry.
What did you delete?
What? No, can you speak louder? I can't hear.
So what did you delete? Because I got kicked out.
Oh, download the skill lessons part 1 from the Excel spreadsheet channel.
Yeah, I know. But what you said? Number 2, delete unwanted rows and columns, right?
Yeah. Just now I have blank columns and blank rows, right? Because it says that apply appropriate formatting, so I delete all the blank rows and column. Okay. Delete blank rows and columns. Number 3. Change all font to okay. I change all font to this 11 black. So now it become a more proper way. Okay. Next, am I too fast? Can I continue? Jacob?
Sir, very fast.
Very fast. Okay. Do this trick. Change the width Okay, delete, change.
So we auto resize the width and height.
You click on this one. You click on this and then you double click when
okay,
your
sir.
mouse cursor to
Okay, sir, thank you.
just double click like this.
So we need to download and then hand it in later.
Yes, yes, yes. So we have 32 attendees. So later I should have 32 copies.
So where is the file?
The file you can refer to the meeting chat. It's under Excel spreadsheet skill lesson part 1.
The assignment that you just sent, is it?
No, the assignment is the place to let you upload your files. You should get your files over here. Teams, Excel spreadsheet, and this one, skill lesson part 1. Okay.
I found it already.
Today this week we should finish all the, according to Tina and Jenny, we should finish all the Excel formula by this week. So I try my best. Okay.
Sir, change to what font?
This one.
Calibri.
Yeah, it's a default font.
Okay.
Okay, let's go for formula P1. I hope this one you studied while in year 9, so I will do once, but very quick. The first one is you need to put an equal sign in your keyboard. Equal sign, and then you move the up, down, left, right button from your keyboard. You choose the first number, and then followed by the operator, what operator you want. So this one is plus. So you put a plus or add but operator, and then you choose the second, which is C4, and then you click on enter. So this is the formula A4 plus C4. A4 plus C4. You must have the equal sign in front. You must have the equal sign in front. Okay, one more time. Equal 4 minus 65. So you have negative. So equal 3 times 45. Okay, then equal 29 minus 23. So I hope you know how to do this too. Then I continue this. Okay, there are 3 ways. There are more than 3 ways to do the summation. The first one is equal, and then plus, 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 like this. Okay. You can use this method. The second one is you highlight everything, and then you click auto sum. Or you highlight everything. Okay, one more time. You highlight everything. You type alternate and equal sign together. Okay. this is the short form for auto sum. Or you just put equal sum open bracket, then you highlight the range, what you want to do the summation or addition. Then you get the total. So I leave this one for you. Subtraction equal this one minus this. Okay, just like this. How to do subtraction here, then you do the subtraction here. And then multiply, same. Divide, same. Like this one, it will be equal 480 divide 12. Okay, so you get 40 over here. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. Please finish the rest. Okay, because later you need to submit. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
can you show again the instructions for the first exercise, because just now I need to re-download the whole thing.
Oh, the first one, just draw a tree.
Wait, no, I mean before that there's a part we have to change like the font, everything. Yeah.
Oh, resize the width and height. You click on this one, and you double click. You double click on the edge here. When they change the mouse cursor like this, then you double click it. Then it will resize the width and height. Then delete all the blank rows. You click on this is column. Then you right click it. Then you click delete. So you see wherever inside the table is an entire row empty or blank, you just right click and then you click delete. Then change it to this one. You just highlight the text and then change it here. Color, size, font type. Okay. And then for the rest, finish up the formulas P1 and you have 2 more minutes, then I will start the task 1.
How to do that? This one.
Which one?
Like you make all the things same size one. You right click the edge or whatever.
No. You click on this one, and then when your mouse moves to the between the D and E or E and F, it will change the mouse cursor. Can you see? Then you double click when the mouse cursor change.
Cannot. Never mind.
Then if cannot, then you need to change one by one. Just like this, and then you change or double click. Okay, you need to change one by one if cannot.
So for the task 1, the formulas and functions, the multiplication, like the division, can we just use the same formula for like all, or must we use like different formula?
Use the same formula. Equal this one times this one. Okay? And 6 times and 7. Then you get 75.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, let's continue. Task 1. Okay, apply appropriate formatting to this style sheet. Okay. If you cannot do it, you can just move your mouse like this and then you double click. Okay, you can double click one by one. It is okay. But if you can, you just click on this edge and you double click the row and double click the column, then they will change everything for you automatically. Okay, so the first one done. Work out the total sales for each phone from January to February only. So total will be auto sum, but this time only January to February. Okay, now once you're done, you move your mouse cursor until you see the plus cursor into a thinner black plus. Then you click and drag it down. It will automatically change and help you to do the next row. Okay, one more time. You move your cursor until it meets the square dot over here. Okay, move your cursor until it reaches the square dot over here. Then your cursor will become a black plus sign. And then you drag it down. Then you will get, they will do the auto calculation. If you are a new student, yeah. If you are old student, I hope you already know how to do this because this is a repetition work from year 9. Okay. Work out of the average sales for each phone from January to February. So equal average, okay, equal average, or if you don't know how to do average, one of the easiest way is you click on this one, insert function. And then you search, let's say this one asks you for average, then you type average here and click go. Then they will tell you what are the functions can do average. Like the first one, average. The second one, average A, what is the function? There are description here, so you can read. Because for paper 3, actually you have quite empty, a lot of empty times or free times, so you can check one by one. So for me, we are doing the average, normal average, and then the number will be January and February only. So you drag January and February, so they will select for you. So the first one is 15, and then same, you drag it down, then you get 18, 5, and 4. Okay, work out of the total maximum minimum for each month. Okay, so you highlight everything, including the total, and then you click auto sum, then you will get the result already. Okay, one more time. You highlight the data and one empty cell for total, and you click auto sum, then you get the result. Okay, maximum, you can type here, maximum. So normally it's the first one, max. Okay, so highlight this, enter. So maximum is 18, which is Samsung, and minimum, one more time, you click on the insert functions, and then you click minimum. This one will help you, okay, minimum, MIN. Return the smallest number in a set of values, ignore logical values and text. So minimum, and I get 5. Okay, so I highlight and drag it over here. Then I get maximum and minimum. Okay, since all this is in the red color, area 12 and bold, so I will change this to center, bold, area 12 and red color. Okay. Okay, mean what? And then max is giving you the maximum, mean is minimum, total is the summation. Okay, and if not mistaken, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5, task 6 is almost the same. Okay.
So how do you find the vertical total?
This
The
one.
column one. Yeah.
You just auto sum and then you select January and February because it says from January and February only.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm recording, so I do not need to wait you all. Okay, because I want to finish this, all of this. Okay, discount equal this one times the percentage. Enter. Okay, if you drag this down, you will get a lot of invalid value because the first one you get this time this, which is correct. The second one become this time student discount. That's why you get invalid. The third one, 360 times something empty. That's why you get 0. The fourth one, this one. So I want the blue color it go down, but the red color I want it remains same. So what I will do is I want to tell them that the C and the 3 don't change. So I need to put a $sign before C and $sign before 3. So it will become absolute reference, which is not change. It won't change at all. Enter. And then now you drag it down again and you will get the result. Okay, this is called absolute referencing. Okay, then this one equal the price minus student discount. And then you drag it down. Okay, so can you do the same thing to the staff and staff price, and then do the total, maximum, minimum, and average, which we done from here. You just apply the same formula. Okay.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
How do you draw the graph?
Can you talk louder?
How do you draw the graph?
Show the
Graph.
graph. Oh. Once you, let's say now you finish the 2. So you highlight mobile phone, not discounted price. Okay, highlight this one, and highlight this one, and you go to insert recommend chart and see what chart they are recommended. Okay, then you get the graph. Okay, wait, let's say I do this one times, and then from the previous lesson we learned this should be in absolute, and drag it down. So this one is equal price minus discount. So I drag it down. Okay, now I have the mobile phone, student price, staff price, and I go insert recommend chart. So they will give you, if you like horizontal, you choose horizontal. If you like vertical, you choose vertical. Then you click OK. Then you have the chart. Okay, give appropriate name for the chart title, and then give appropriate name for series 1 and series 2. So series 1 is student. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. How much these two should be merged? Okay. Highlight, then insert, recommend chart, vertical. Okay, so I have new student price, new staff price. Student is in blue color and staff in. If you want to change, you just change. Okay, as long as it can compare the differences, compare the difference between these two charts. Okay, and everything is clear. Okay, that's for task 2.
For the total, are we supposed to total the what are we supposed to total, like all of it or just the new stuff?
This one, new staff price.
Okay, thanks sir.
Okay, how long we still have? Until 10:10. Okay, so I think I only can finish until task 3. Task 3 percentage is equal 70 divided by 80, and then you change the number format to percentage. One more time. C6 divided by D6, and then change the format to percentage. Then you drag it down, you get all the percentage, and then you select the sum, average, mean, and max. Okay, based on the pupil's mark range. Okay, task 4. So I have 7 games won. Point per game is 3, so I will get how many games won. So equal to 7 times 3. And then you drag it down, you get the answer for everything. And then how many games I play? I won 7, I drawn 4, I lose 4. So total up will be 7 plus 4 plus 4. So apply the formula, just apply, and how many points I get. Okay? Just apply the formula here. Okay. Number 5. Total cost. It says that D5 equal to multiplying the unit price by the number of unit order. So equal to this one times this one. Okay. And then for G5, multiplying the selling price by the number of items sold. So what is the selling price? This one. Number of items sold is this. So this one multiply this, and then you get the revenue. Okay. Work out of the profit by taking the total cost away from the revenue. So how to get the profit? This is this one minus this one. Work out of mean, max, average, and total price for the profit. So again, you need to do the mean, max, average, and total. Okay, and then create a graph comparing the total cost for each fruit. Okay, and you will get negative if not mistaken. Sum. Okay. Then for task 6, insert 4 names for DVD. Okay, any 4 names, and then also any file name for computer games. Just put a name here. Okay. Okay, and including the cost, just simply put any cost here. Okay. Work out of the total sales for each DVD. So you get the sales, how many sales you get. And then work out of the mean, max, average. And then you draw the pie chart. And 7, create a bar chart to show the quarter sales and create the bar chart to show the sales for each month. Because lack of time, so I will show you the demo on Friday. So you do it first, okay? Any question you want to ask before we end the class?
So how to do the
Which task?
the
Sorry?
graph? How to do the graph for task 4?
Task 4. Total point. Okay, you need to have total point first. Then you label the team, and then you highlight the total point, and then you go insert recommended charts.
Okay.
Wait, so how you highlight without highlighting the middle one?
You use control.
Oh,
You click on the control. Don't you just press on the control when you do the highlight. Yes, Jacob.
Can sir.
Can I?
Sir,
Yeah.
how do you apply proper formatting to a task 2?
Proper formatting.
Or appropriate formatting?
You just highlight everything, and then you double click here and double click here. Double click here and here. Then it will become everything can be seen. Normally, when they say appropriate, means that all text can be seen. So no text is hidden. No hidden text. That's all.
Sir.
Yes.
How to like what if your tree you put in the wrong place? How to delete it?
You just undo, or you change the tree home. You change the color to white again.
But then it's like that. What happened to the lines?
Oh, when you put white color, it will disable the line won't show.
Oh, cannot on.
If you click on the no field, that only you can see.
Okay. Thanks, sir. Okay.
So when do you have to submit this by?
By tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So what are we supposed to do in the T2 formatting there?
Which formatting?
The
as long as all the text is visible, no text is hidden from the other cell or collapsed, no text is collapsed from the other cell, then it is already appropriate.
Sir, can you go task 1 for a while?
Task 1, yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So how to calculate task 2? What?
Which part?
Out the student staff discount, whatever, I don't know.
Oh, equal to this one times this one.
Oh.
And make sure you put the absolute, because later when you drag it down, the C3 will won't change.
So I can show how to do absolute.
Sir, can you show how to do the graph for this one?
Graph, actually you just put a dollar sign.
Okay.
Okay, create a graph comparing the discount staff and student. You just create here, you drag this, and drag this. These three. They only need these three, and you insert recommended chart, and then you select like what chart you want. Let's say
Okay, sir.
That's
so
it.
Huh?
That's it,
Yeah, but you
Oh.
label your axis and the title.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
Okay, actually our time is end. Now is 4th period. You can go to your recess time. Okay, any other question before I end the meeting?
Wait, sir, you did the recording, right? So
Yes,
we can
yes,
see
yes.
afterwards.
Yeah, I will show, I will upload the recording.
Oh, okay. Thanks, sir.
Okay, any other question? If no, then I will last call. Okay. Then I will stop the recording and I will end the meeting.